Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to investigate and remediate threats with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Advanced hunting within Microsoft Defender for Endpoint allows us to hunt for possible threats across the organization using a powerful search and a query tool. We can proactively inspect events in the network in order to locate interesting indicators and entities. Now, I'll show you how to explore and then investigate, remediate threats with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. We can use threat hunting queries to build custom detection rules. These rules can automatically check for and respond to various events and system states. So if I log on to the 365 Defender portal, I am logged on to the portal. Now if I go under hunting, here it is. Click on advanced hunting. Okay, I'll log in again. When you click on advanced hunting, in the query field, you can type in the query and then you can run the query, right? You can type in. You can find the PowerShell execution events that could involve a download. You can do pivoting on those PowerShell processes. You can find in suspicious commands related to download string, web request. Let me paste a sample query. Now, if you see this command, the sample command, so the first where returns the records from the previous 7 days. This where, right? This where returns the previous 7 days record. The second where filters on file name to search the process. Okay. And now after that, the third where filters on strings in command. Let me change the color, right? This looks good more. The project returns the specified columns only. Here, and the top limits the number of results to 50. Alright, now advanced hunting is based on the Kusto query language. So we have operators where, summarize, join, count, top, limit, project, extend, markset, find, and many more. So the best practices to run these advanced hunting or do the advanced hunting through KQL queries. Now you have to apply the filters first. We have to use Azure Kusto is a highly optimized to utilize time filters. Use the hash keyword over contains. Use looking in specific column rather than using full text search across all columns. When joining between two tables, choose the table with fewer rows. When joining between two tables, project only needed columns from both sides of the join. Right. So this is where I wanted to tell you about the advanced hunting or threat hunting capabilities available within Defender. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.